A siding is a low-speed track section distinct from a main line or branch line or spur. Now it might connect to through track or to other sidings at either end. Sidings are used to store stationary rolling stock, especially for loading and unloading. Some sidings hold maintenance of way equipment. Industrial sidings typically run to factories and warehouses, mines, wharves, quarries, and some are links to industrial railroads. Some are used to let trains pass or to store helper engines between runs. A passing siding or passing loop is a section of track parallel to the through line and connected to it at both ends by turnouts, also called switches. A passing siding allows trains travelling in opposite directions to pass. Fast and high priority trains can also use a passing loop to overtake slower or lower priority trains going in the same direction. They're important for efficiency on single track lines, and they also add to the capacity of other lines. Now the following diagrams show the process of unloading an orange boxcar on a siding. Firstly, you pull the locomotive and boxcar being delivered ahead of the turnout. You leave the rest of the train on the main line. You then set the turnout for the siding and back your boxcar into the siding. The next step is to uncouple the boxcar, then pull the loco forward and set the turnout back for the main line. Then couple up to the rest of the train and you can proceed to your destination. Now by doing things the right way, you can avoid a lot of mistakes and frustration, and that will make the hobby so much more enjoyable.